Hello viewers, here is a Panasonic 900 MHz cordless telephone. This is model KX-TC1418B, made in China, so of course it doesn't work. The screen has a lot of dead pixels. See, all the information is just not really readable, especially the date and time. Buttons all seem to work. It doesn't seem to have like any features. The only options we have is language and dial mode. It does have a ringer on-off switch on the side, no volume or tone adjustment as far as I can tell. It's got a headset jack, belt clip compatibility. I've always thought these older handsets were cool how it says Panasonic on the back like that. There is a very dumb design on this unit. If you look at the screen, you can see there's a lot of wear in the middle of it. And that is because if you have this hanging on the wall, let's see if I can get this open again. If you have this hanging on the wall like this, and you want to hang it up vertically, and you don't necessarily get it exactly at the right height, and you slide it down, the hook switch scrapes up against the screen. And there's no option to hang it up this way, so you have to hang it up like that. So that's kind of a stupid design, and I don't know how they didn't think of that when they built this telephone, but now we have an all scratched up screen because of that. I believe it can charge either way if it's flat, sitting on the table. Yes, it can do that, and it takes a standard 3.6 volt 3-cell AA battery pack. Well, let's go ahead and ring it up. I don't know what the ringtone even sounds like on it. Oops. The top line of the screen seems to work okay. It's just the numerics in the second or the bottom half that don't really work. Doesn't have auto talk. Hello, 1, 2, 3. It seems to transmit okay. It's got a volume thing here on the side, which is kind of cool. Check. Testing. I don't think it's working. Hello, hello, hello. Nope, that's not really working. Oh, we have a bad receiver cap. Well, that's unfortunate. So this is a little less than functional. As far as I know it, this is just an analog model, so I'm not sure if it's really worth repairing. Well, I can't even find out what the range is because I can't hear it. Well, I'm going to hold on to this, and maybe we'll do a revisit in the future, maybe not, I don't know. We'll see what happens.